Alright, so I got to go in there, and that heater core took a poop on me. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's, see, it's all puddled up, antifreeze in there. So I bought new carpet. I got new carpet sitting here, and I didn't put it in. I'm glad I didn't put it in with that heater box taking a poop on me. So I'll probably take these seats out and get that carpet, get the console up, and get the carpet out. And I'll have to get that glove box out of there, that cardboard that's in here out. And then I can get in there and get all the clips and get that box apart and get that heater core out. I got the new heater core here and that already, so well, here we go. Alright, I got the glove box taken out there. Let's see all that fluid. It's pretty green in here. So I'm trying to get to those clips. Right there, you see them? Right there, that clip. I'm gonna pop all those clips off the box and separate it. And then I can, you see them two hoses back in there? I can get those pulled out, and that's the actual heater core. So once I get that box split apart by those clips, good thing about the duster, I don't have to pull the window or the dash. So we just got to get that out and get the new core in. Alright, so I got all the little clips off, and I've got the outside of the heater box. So I got it separated into two pieces, and you can see where that heater core has been leaking. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, you see all that antifreeze. So I'm going to go out there and drain my coolant system down, and I got a bolt up there in the front. I got to take off, that is the ground for all this stuff, and also holds that core in. I take that bolt off, and then there's bolts around the outside of it, like 4 of them, and I can take the hoses off and pull that core out and put the new core in. You know, I've had this car 25 years or something like that, and I've never had to do this, so hopefully it goes for another 25 years. And compared to the newer ones nowadays, that's super easy to do. Alright, so I'll get that core out of there now. Alright, I forgot to mention I had to take the kick panel off to get that. There's one lower one down there. So there's one lower one down there you gotta pop. Okay, so back in there on those tubes, see those tubes back there? There's one Phillips screw, and if you take a little shorty, you can stand it up in there and use one arm through the dash and one arm up under the dash. Take this little clip off. It holds those down. So it drops around one of the actuation doors in there, and then that's where that Phillips screw I was talking about. And this holds that heater core tube down in there, so you can pull it out the box, but you got to get it taken off back up. All right, so I've got a towel up over the fender here, and I've taken the heater lines off. And I just stuffed it with some rags, so whatever does leak, even though the carpet's ruined in there, good thing I got a I got a box of carpet actually right there. So I'm gonna pull that out and get that new heater core put in. Okay, so there's a plate right here. It has a screw coming back in this way. So you have to take that screw out right there. And then when you put the new heater core, there's a plate and like a gasket kind of piece. So when you're gonna put this back in through those holes, it's got to go through there when you put the new core in. So I got the new core here, and I got the old core out. That cost me, you know, $70. It was 65 at O'Reilly's. So we're gonna stick it up in there and bolt everything back together and call it done. All right, I got the 6 screws back in and the heater core in now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the vent door that fell out there back up in there in the right spot, and then clean the case a little bit and put the clips back together. All right, got the heater box put back together. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right back there is the one hidden clip that you got to take the kick panel off, and that's that one hidden clip. But I got all the clips back on now, and I'm ready to put the. I can't start it, but I can right now. I think I'm gonna wait until I can start it and make sure this thing doesn't leak before I put the new carpet in. And I'm going to use this carpet to go around that bottom edge of the console. But I'm going to put the kick panel and the sill plate back on and put the glove box back in. And basically that's changing the whole heater core. Alright, got the glove box all put back together there. And I got the kick plate put on, and the sill plate is put on there. So and then I got the heater core lines hooked back up, so I'll be able to top it off. And basically that's the end of putting the heater core in. I'll put that carpet in when I put it all together and run it around, make sure it ain't gonna leak, and I'll put the new carpet that I bought in. All right, hope you like this kind of stuff.